Education is more than just learning how to read, write, or calculate numbers. It's about unlocking potential, about showing a young person they matter and that their future holds possibilities. Yet today, millions of children and teenagers still don't have access to that opportunity, not because they are not willing, but because of poverty, conflict, discrimination, or simply where they were born. When we deny education, we deny hope. We silence voices that could lead, create, and transform communities. But when we make education accessible to all, we invest in peace, in health, in equality, in the power of the youth. Every educated child becomes an empowered youth, and every empowered youth moves us one step closer to a better, more just world. Education for all. Empower the youth. Change the world.